My name is Anjanine Good, and I am applying to the Discovery Education Summer Institute. You may ask, why am I applying for this unique opportunity of professional development 1 week in the summer when I can have vacation and do whatever I choose? Well, for a long time now, I've had a secret love affair with Discovery Education Network and the vast amount of resources that they offer to educators all around the globe. Well, my school district, Baltimore County Public Schools, is now partnered with Discovery Education Network, and I would like to hone my skills. As a teacher, I always tell my students to do good, better, and best, and to never let it rest until their good gets better and their better gets best. As an educator, I feel that I need to continue to strive to be better and best so that my students can achieve the best out in our world and support our global community. This opportunity, if I am selected, will give me the tools and resources that I need to collaborate with my peers, share out ideas, and gain new insights into other ideas that can help my students, my school community, all succeed. I look forward and I hope that I am chosen to attend this wonderful opportunity of learning. I'm a lifelong learner. Learning is something that happens every day, and I don't want to miss out on this unique opportunity to learn.